We will now see how to search the schedules in our website. In our homepage, there are several links in the top. Please click the searches link, which will give you a drop-down which has a set of icons under the tab Reports. You have another tab Statutes and Others, and by default the Reports tab is selected, and you will see all the icons of that tab when you click the searches link. Please click the Statutes and Others, and you can see another set of icons, and here you will find the Schedules icon. Please click this Schedules icon and it will take you to our Schedules search screen. Here basically you have two panels, Schedules search panel and Schedules description panel. You can give your preferences in the Schedules search panel and you will find your description of that schedule after you click in the Schedules description panel. And inside the schedule search, you can search the schedules by its name under the act, or you can search the schedules year-wise, or you can search a text inside the schedules of that act. You have separate tabs for each of it. By default, you can see the schedules tab selected. We'll see one by one all the options. The Schedules tab, after you click the Schedules tab, you can find a drop-down wherein it has all the acts getting displayed in a scrollable format. You can either select the act here after you scroll down, or for ease of ness, after you select the drop-down, you can directly type. For example, I am typing income and you can see the income tax act getting navigated for you easily. By clicking onto that act, it will show you all the schedules in that act listed down below. By clicking on to any of the schedules name, you can find that entire schedule getting displayed in the schedule description panel. I request you to please follow the pointer. And after you click the schedule's name, you can find a pop-up window wherein it has all the years of amendment of that schedules in that act. By clicking onto any of the year's name, you can find that amendment getting displayed in the schedule description panel. Interestingly, you can find a compare button getting activated, and this button will come out only if there are two or more years of amendment occurring in that pop-up window. For example, here we have 8 years of amendment, and hence the compare button is getting activated automatically. You can compare 2 years of amendment. For example, 1965A is already been selected here. And after you click the compare button, you can click any of the year. For example, I am clicking 1967A. And you can see in the description panel, the title has been changed now to Comparing Section 4A of year 1965 with year 1967A. As you can see, there is a red color highlight with the strikeout of the words, which indicates that this sentence is getting omitted in the year 1967 when compared to 1965A. Similarly, if you can scroll down and see, there is a green color highlight of a point wherein this one is getting added in the year 1967A when compared with 1965A. And this is how we can easily compare the differences between the years of amendment of that particular schedule in that act. Let us now see year-wise search, wherein after you click the year tab, you can see a similar drop-down which has all the acts getting displayed in a scrollable format. By clicking onto any of the act, let us for example click the income tax act, and as you can see, all the years of amendment is getting listed out just below that. By clicking onto any of the years, you can see the schedules getting amended that year. By clicking on that schedule name, you can find the schedules getting described fully in the schedule description panel. Let us click one more year. As we have clicked 1999A, you can see all the schedules getting amendment in that year getting listed in the pop-up window overlaying above the years of amendment. By clicking onto any of the schedules, you can find that getting displayed the schedule description panel to your right. And this is how we search year-wise the schedules in our schedule search. And in text option, as we have seen many times, you can search a text by typing a text here and clicking the search button after you select the act. I hope now you're familiar with how to do the schedule search in our website in the schedule search option. Thank you for watching.